Okay, so we've pulled our cooktop apart just to have a look inside. Here we have our pancake coil is exactly 25 turns. I've counted 3 times. That's how many are on there, 25. I've really pulled this thing apart. I've taken the heat sink and everything off. So okay, the circuit itself. Now inside here in the centre of the coil we have 2 sensors of some description. I'm guessing one's a thermostat, reading the temperature of the pot maybe, not sure. Here you can see these fingers that look like some form of, I'm not really sure what it's made out of, some sort of ferrite, but it's very metallic, a lot of metallic flecks through it, so not quite sure what that stuff is. Okay, the circuit itself, well, there it is. I hope you can get that. Okay, 1 4 UF cap, another 4 UF cap, a relay, and we have another cap which I've forgotten the value of. Let me just have a look at that for a minute. That is 0.3 UF. Not sure if you can see that. I think it says 1200 volts DC. Interesting. Now there is markings on that. Oh no, it's another cap. 6.8 UF by the look of it. Here's the interesting part. There's only one IGBT, and that of course is our full wave bridge rectifier. On this side here we have the gate, collector and emitter, because a IGBT is of course a mixture of a transistor and a MOSFET. A couple of inductors, another smaller one there which has something in the middle of it, but I don't know what it is. But anyway, that is the top side of the circuit. Heap of resistors, of course, and a whole lot of other bits and pieces. And on the underside we just have that lot. Very interesting. Soldering on the tracks there. So that's about it. That's what's inside of our cooker. Oh, and a fan. Now this fan uses 9 watts, so worth taking into account when making measurements, I guess. Every little bit counts. So that's our circuit, guys. There's only one, not 2 as in the schematic. And has these 2 inductors, which it doesn't have in the schematic. So obviously the wrong schematic for this setup. So I'm going to put it back together. What I'm going to do now is run 2 wires from either side, or 1 wire from each side of the coil, run them out, and put our probe on there with a pot of water on and see what that says. But now we know the number of turns, we can make a 1-to-1 coil ratio and see how we go with that.